Welcome back to Car Compass, the channel where we explore rare, unique, and fascinating vehicles from all corners of the automotive world. Today we're taking a closer look at a truly rare gem from the 1980s, the 1986 Zimmer Quicksilver. This car is a blend of eccentric styling, hand-built craftsmanship, and a unique place in automotive history that sets it apart from anything else on the road. The Zimmer Quicksilver was produced by the Zimmer Motorcars Corporation, an American manufacturer known for its neo-classic luxury cars. Built between 1984 and 1988, the Quicksilver stood out not only because of its bold appearance, but also because of its unusual underpinnings. It was based on the Pontiac Fiero platform, which means it had a mid-engine layout, but Zimmer stretched and extensively rebodied the car to create an entirely new design. The 1986 model was part of the most refined batch, featuring a more cohesive luxury design and interior upgrades. Under the hood, the Quicksilver retained the Fiero's 2.8-liter V6 engine, which produced around 140 horsepower. While that may not sound powerful by today's standards, it was sufficient for a car that prioritized style and comfort over high-speed performance. The mid-engine layout gave it balanced handling characteristics, and the 4-speed automatic transmission ensured a smooth and easy drive. This wasn't a car built for drag races. It was meant to cruise in style and turn heads wherever it went. What truly made the Quicksilver special was its exterior design. The front featured a massive chrome grille with vertical bars, flanked by squared-off headlights and a low, wide stance. Its body was elongated, with a long nose and a sharply tapered rear, giving it a sleek and elegant silhouette. Chrome accents were used generously, and the overall styling had a dramatic, almost futuristic look for its time. It had an unmistakable road presence that made it instantly recognizable and undeniably luxurious. Inside, the Zimmer Quicksilver was all about comfort and bespoke craftsmanship. The interior was finished with high-end materials like real wood trim, thick carpeting, and leather upholstery. The dashboard layout was clean, with analog gauges and a classic steering wheel. Luxury features for the time included power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and a premium audio system. Every car was hand-assembled, which means no two were exactly alike, and the attention to detail was top-notch for a boutique automaker. In terms of market availability, the Quicksilver was always a niche vehicle. Only around 170 units were ever produced, making it extremely rare. These cars were expensive when new, priced significantly higher than the Fiero they were based on, and aimed at wealthy buyers who wanted something exclusive and different from the usual luxury brands. Today, finding a Zimmer Quicksilver in good condition is a challenge, but collectors and fans of unusual cars continue to appreciate their uniqueness and limited production numbers. The rarity and bold design have earned it a cult following among enthusiasts of vintage luxury vehicles. Despite its modest performance figures, the Zimmer Quicksilver remains an interesting chapter in American automotive history. It represents a time when small independent automakers could create something truly different, something with personality and style that mass-market brands couldn't always deliver. If you ever spot one in the wild or at a car show, it's definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the 1986 Zimmer Quicksilver. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more rare and iconic cars from the past and present, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Car Compass for more automotive discoveries every week.